Hey guys, this is Paul from Smart Easy DIY. Today I wanted to do an unboxing video for the Otterbox Defender Pro rugged case for the iPhone 11 Pro and the 11 Pro Max. This is one particular is for the 11 Pro, but they're the same, just a bigger version. Basically, I just wanted to do an unboxing and kind of show it to you on the phone and talk about it a little bit. Alright, so the box is a little beat up, but we'll get this out of here. The one cool thing is it comes with a belt clip. One thing I don't like about a lot of cases is they don't come with a belt clip. I personally use the belt clip all the time. So this is the belt clip. Wanted to show it to you. I use it on my personal phone, my 8 Plus. It has all kinds of different positions you can put it in. And it clips on your belt really good. So one thing that's always been a pain for me in the past in particular is they always have a screen protector on here. Then you have to peel it off if you want to use your own screen protector, which I like doing better anyway. Like for this, I like having the glass screen protector because they hold up really well. And actually, I wanted to share this with you guys really quick too. This is the Max Boost. It has really good reviews. I'll include a link in the video description below the video where you can find this if you want. And one thing that I wanted to point out is this one has the anti-blue, so it helps prevent eye strain and stuff like that. Instead of wearing the anti-blue glasses, you can just put this on your screen. And it's very durable, and also it helps with the eye strain. My wife and I have both tried it out and we really like that part. The other cool thing is, I think it's around 15 bucks. You get a 3-pack, so it lasts you for a long time. So let's go ahead and take this apart. So this outer part comes off like that. So then this other part unclips in a few places. It has arrows on the back. Shows you where it unclips. So then it all comes apart like that. Now here we have the new iPhone 11 Pro. Gonna set it on there. So it just snaps together. It has this hard protective shell here. Then it has this rubber part that you put on, and you just put all the edges around all the way in. The first time when you're doing this, it's kind of hard to do. So now I got it all together. You can see there, you can see the cameras. It doesn't show the Apple logo there, it doesn't have that, but I like the protection that it offers because it's really solid. It's a little bit of a raised lip like that. And I think personally that it feels really good in the hand, and it actually feels better once you have it for a while. So the reason I say that, I wanted to compare. So this is my personal phone, the iPhone 8 Plus, and I've had this on for a long time, this case, probably at least a year or more. And there's a few scratches like on the case itself, like if you hold it in the right lighting, but it still feels really good in the hand. It's still really nice and tight here, which some cases I've had in the past, that part will wear out over time. It'll just wear and it'll stand open and stuff. But this one is still really nice and tight, and it still snaps into the belt clip really good. I never have lost it out of this belt clip. I wear it all the time. You can see it's dirty. And of course with this you can turn your phone either way since it has spots right here on that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that to show you that this one has been awesome on my 8 Plus. So this is just a new version of it for the iPhone 11 Pro. I'll include a link in the video description below the video where you can find this case for a good price. I'll pass that along to you guys, as well as a link for these Max Boost screen protectors if you're interested in those. So this, I'll just show you this with the belt clip here. And like I said before, you can turn the belt clip, this way. You can turn it the other way, however you want to turn it. The nice thing that I like about this, like if you're wearing it, you can access the volume buttons and the power button with being in the belt clip, but it still holds it really securely. You can flip it around either way. So, alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing. If you're looking for a good rugged case for the iPhone 11 or 11 Pro or 11 Pro Max, I highly recommend this Otterbox case just from personal experience. I dropped my phone a lot of times and it's never had a problem at all. My phone has always been saved, and my wife's phone the same. We have 3 boys, so we know what it's like to have our phone thrown around. So, alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.